Closing market comments for Thursday, February the 11th. Markets today opened lower last night, traded quite a bit lower, and then were able to rally back going into the morning break and closing into the break up a few cents. We did have a substantial rally after the break with beans up 15 to 20, corn up 7 to 10, and wheat up 7 to 10, but markets failed to hold that going into the close. Weekly export sales were released this morning. Corn sales at 57.0 million bushels. That's down from last year's record week of 292.8, but above last year at 49.2, with 31 to 55 expected. And we only need to sell 12.8 million a week to reach USDA projection. Seems like a low number. Soybeans 29.6 million, down from 30.3 last week, but above last year at 18.2. with 11 to 28 expected and 1.5 needed. 2 more weeks like that, we're going to be over already. Wheat sales of 21.7, last week 23.6, last year 23.6, 7 to 17 expected and only 2.1 needed. So again, short year on wheat ends the end of May, but looks like we probably could be over there as well if we can get everything shipped. The challenge on corn and wheat is getting product shipped. CONAB released their data today on their crop. Their corn estimate was 105.5 million metric tons. That's up from last month at 102.3 and below USDA at 109. Soybean estimate at 133.8. That's up 0.1 from last month, but above USDA at 133.0. Buenos Aires Grain Exchange, BAGE, released the Argentina numbers. They had corn at 48.5 million. That's up 2.5 from last month and 1.0 above USDA. On the soybean side, they were 49.0. That's up from 47.0 and 48.0 on the USDA's. And a little other news, China is out on their Lunar New Year starting today. They'll be out for 7 days celebrating that festival. Doubt we see a lot of purchases during that time. We typically don't. Several weather forecasters are talking about weather for this coming year and looking at the Southwest Plains and the Western Corn Belt possibly suffering under drought conditions, with wet conditions in the Eastern Corn Belt during planting season, but then good growing conditions from there right now. Just a reminder, there are no markets next Monday for President's Day, so markets will be closed until Monday night. No trade Sunday night or Monday. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.